Rerouting power to the forward scanning array. We're seeing major instability near the rupture.
Understood.
We have lateral drift on port side bracket 3, increased plasma flow.
Confirmed. Rerouting power now. Stability holding at 70%.
Coordinated lift sequence engaged. Maximum hydraulic pressure stabilizing.
Acknowledged. The wreck is clearing the seabed.
Ascent rate is nominal. We are passing the 500-meter mark.
All systems report green. Structure stabilized.
Drone 1, stabilize your ascent. Drones 2 and 3, engage full power. We have lift. The marine growth is clearing faster than projected. Yes, the thermal shock is effective. Log the data for the next phase.
The structural supports on deck 7 are stabilizing faster than projected. Good.
Reroute the remaining swarm to the auxiliary conduits.
Lightning calibration complete. Cross-reference the failure sensor immediately.
Diagnostics are green across the board, Director.
Acknowledged. We are clear for activation.
Adjust the angle on the observation deck, slight correction there.
Perfect alignment.
Phase 1 complete. Excellent work.
Helm online. Steering at 100%.
Radar and communications fully functional, Captain.
Bring the engines to warp readiness. We are live.
The nanocoating adhesion is stable across Sector Gamma.
Confirmed. The corrosion resistance metrics are optimal.
The restoration summary is beautiful. A perfect resurrection.
Indeed. The one and only factory sails again.
Reroute power to the starboard clamps. We need full stabilization before the next weld sequence.
Acknowledged. Adjusting drone patterns now.
Check the pressure reading on manifold Gamma.
Looks good. Alignment is perfect. Locking confirmed.
Lowering sequence initiated. Module alignment check.
Robo-arms engage. Confirm power and water systems online.
Nanocoating deployment complete on all sections.
Pressure barriers show full integrity. We are green across the board.
Readings on magnetic stabilization are holding steady at 99% efficiency.
The rapid deployment system is highly efficient.
And the water quality is pristine. Another flawless execution.
The assembly is complete, right on schedule.
The lighting calibration looks perfect.
This is our best one yet.
All systems are green. The auxiliary processors are fully synchronized.
Confirmed. The global network is online.
Status report, engineer. Are the repairs complete?
Confirmed, Commander. Flawless operation across the board.
Initiate the fin synchronization sequence.
Sequence active. Hydrodynamic stability is at 98%.
Panels secure.
Guidance system shows green.
Ballistics clear.
The jungle simulation is fully responsive.
All metrics are green.
The installation is a success.
We are reaching peak parameters. Data flow is critical.
Confirmed. All systems holding steady.
We did it, Sahab. It's perfect.
A proud moment for the whole team.
The lattice integration on Deck 7 is falling behind schedule.
Rerouting power to the secondary welding drones now. We'll compensate.
Sealing integrity nominal. We are clear for final pressurization.
Look at that. The clearest view yet. Look at the energy regulation on this run.
Impressive. The braking test confirms full stability. We are ready for deployment.
The automated flooring sequence is ahead of schedule.
Good.
Let's verify the gold trim installation on the second tier.
Systems pressurized. Beginning the flow sequence.
We have full tajril. Excellent work, team.
The readings here confirm optimal dampening.
The acoustic panels are performing flawlessly, and we've achieved near-perfect silence.
Performance metrics are optimal across all kitchens.
The one and only factory system is officially ready for deployment.
Reroute the biometric data stream through the new AI core.
Already on it. The systems are stabilizing now.
Diagnostics confirm perfect condition across all sectors.
Excellent work. The hull integrity is flawless.
The final Nexus connection is secure.
All systems are online. The AI network is fully deployed. Corrosion defense layer is active across Sector 7.
Data confirms full effectiveness.
The calibration looks perfect. The curvature distortion is minimal.
Another success for the one and only factory line.
The installation is nearly complete. The robotics exceeded expectations.
Indeed. The promenade is magnificent.
Satellites are online.
The global broadcast is now fully stabilized as the factory modules lock into place.
Initiate synchronization sequence.
Systems check green. All sectors at 100%. Lead engineer.
To the realization of a dream.
To the one and only factory. Cheers!